Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to explain passive voice, what is it and when to use it. So let's get started. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a grammatical rule that we use to emphasize the object that receives the action in the sentence. So the main target in the sentence is the object that receives the action, not the subject. When to use it? 1. When you don't know the subject. 2. When the subject is already known. 3. When the object is more important than the subject. Here I'll give you some examples. My phone was stolen. Basically, you don't know who did that. I was born in 1998. Everybody knows who the subject is, my mom. So you will not listen to anybody saying I was born by my mother in 1998. They will make fun out of him. So you will just say, I was born in 1998 because who else will give you birth if not your mother? Lastly, the Pirates of Caribbean movie is finally produced. Here, the only thing that matters is that the movie is ready, and I don't care who was working on it to get it done. So here I aim at the result, which is the object. I hope that by now you got a general understanding of passive voice.